Okay, it's been 48 hours since we started this, and the second build took so long to finally take off, but it finally took off. We've got some really, really nice fermentation now, and our little graduated cup shows that it hasn't quite doubled, but it's done pretty well. It's about a third more. So I think we're ready to make dough. In the formula that I put on Perfect Sourdough, I did make 1 loaf of bread, but I realized that ends up being too much starter for final dough. If all of this starter was added to 1 loaf, it ends up being about 45% of the loaf. And I kind of think this is fermented long enough. So I thought I'd turn it into 2 loaves. So we'll go ahead and use this and turn it into 2 loaves. And that will end up being about 24% of the final dough, which I think is much better. So I'll set up and we'll go ahead and make up our dough. This is our fermented honey bread.